Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Caring Hearts, a nurse journey of learning, empowerment, and growth. I am Bernice Odudu. Thank you for being a valuable subscriber and viewer of my channel. This is a channel I developed for nurses like you to learn strategies to navigate the complexities of the healthcare system and break the barriers which limit their success. Practical tips are shared each week to help nurses build confidence, overcome cultural shock in the job, and advance their career. Today's episode is how a nurse can advocate for their patients. Nurse advocacy is one of the new trends that is slowly evolving in healthcare settings. Nurses are now able to make their voices and those of their patients heard in the complex political arena to make legislative changes in the way healthcare is delivered. Nurse advocacy is therefore a crucial part of patient-centered care. For a nurse to effectively advocate for patients, it is important to know what to do. How do you advocate for your patient in your organization? Leave your comment. Here are some ways nurses can effectively advocate for their patients. First and foremost, hone your communication skills. Clear and concise speech is the foundation of effective advocacy. A nurse's ability to express a patient's wishes, concerns, and needs to other members of the healthcare team is essential. Do you think nurse's ability to express a patient's concern is important? Leave your comment. 2. Establish trusting relationships. The key to successful advocacy is building rapport and trust with patients. When nurses earn their patients' trust, patients are more inclined to confide in them about personal issues. 3. Educate patients. Give patients autonomy by teaching them about their health, their treatment choices, and their rights. Involvement in healthcare decision-making is enhanced when patients are educated. 4. Pay attention. Pay close attention to what patients and their loved ones have to say to ensure that you can comprehend their point of view, worries, and aspirations. Observe their body language while recognizing how they are feeling. 5th, honor patients' cultural, spiritual, and personal choices in healthcare by advocating on their behalf. Allow them as much a say as you can in important decisions while yet honoring their independence. 6. Improve knowledge. Keep yourself updated on the latest policy, regulations, and evidence-based practices that pertain to patient care. Nurses can better advocate for their patients inside the healthcare system when they are well informed. Working in conjunction with other members of the healthcare team, such as doctors, social workers, therapy, is an important part of being a patient advocate. Collaborate in order to meet the patient's needs thoroughly. 8. Barriers to care. If patients are unable to get the care they need because of factors like language barriers, lack of transportation, or financial limitations, you must remove those barriers to care. To get beyond these obstacles, you ought to ask for assistance and resources for them. 9. Take part in care planning. Speak for patients when needed during multidisciplinary rounds and care planning meetings. When making decisions about a patient's care, make sure they are heard and that their priorities are taken into account. 10. Always be sure to follow up. Make sure patients get the medication, follow-up visits, and support services they need to be healthy by checking in with them to see how they are doing. Keep your word if you commit to anything with your patient. It is important for nurses to advocate for patients as they are the first and last point of contact when they visit the healthcare system. Utilizing these tips will help the nurse effectively advocate for patients. Thank you for watching, and if you do find these tips informative, please give Caring Heart a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are yet to do so. Share it with your friends and colleagues so we can grow a stronger community where nurses can learn, be empowered, and grow. If you want to learn more, I can help. Click the link in the description to learn more. Remember, a caring heart makes a difference. See you in the next video. Bye.
I wish I knew.